All right, and we're back in the dungeon again. Gonna pop this box. Something I got pretty cheap. You know, as you guys know, I'm working on a suspension. So, we got some shock boot covers. Okay? They were on sale. I'm trying to remember, I think I paid $5.40 a piece for them is all. They're orange, but I don't care about the color because you can't really see them. Once I put the wheel well liners on, you can't see them. So this is for when I do the rear shocks, which is going to be soon. Couple other things I got to do first. As you know, you see the video, I got the struts on. So let me pop this. All right, let's open this up. Take a look. The reason I wanted these is the shaft on this is exposed. Here, let me bring this down here. You can see what I'm doing. Okay, so when you install these actually go in. You would think this is the top, this is the bottom. It's not. Okay, this is the top, and this is the bottom. Okay, so your factory ones have a cover, like a bell that go over it. These don't have that. So what I want to do is see if I can slide this off. Let this extend. These should be long enough, I hope. We're going to find out. Let's see. Yeah, so that'll work. All right, so what I'm going to do, we're going to install these right now and show you how to install a boot. This plastic's pretty heavy duty here. Come on. Well, it's not ripping, it's stretching. So these are nice. Like I said, the price was right, and they come with the clamps instead of zip ties. So you get a nice clamp with it. All right. So what you got to do, obviously, small end, big end goes down around the shock. So what you do is you slide this over. Okay. Let's get this down over the top here. You got to get it to stretch. Come on. They're warm enough, so they should go straight on. Get in a position here. I'm just trying to hold it so you guys can see what you got to do here. Again, you got to get it to stretch over the top. All right, I'm going to have to pull it up so I get more leverage. What it's doing is the shock is compressing as I'm trying to push it at the same time. So there we go. Okay, so there it is on, as you can see. And then what we do is we take this. Let me pop this dent out that I put in it. No more dents. Got one at the top here. All you gotta do is slip your finger up in and pop those back out. Like so. There we go. All right, then what you do is you slide this down over the top. Okay. I'm trying to get it just right to there. Okay. So once this is installed, all right, this will actually won't be as high as it is now. This will actually be down here like this. All right. You can see that. Okay, so this will be right here. I probably, once I get the bolt in, may be able to slip this back up because it's not going to be extended all the way. You know, once you're installed, they will compress a little bit. So, and then, so the next order of business, once we know if we got that straight, okay, trying to get, all right, it's going to be the clamp. So what we do is we can come down like this, or you can go from the bottom up. Doesn't matter. I'm just doing it because I'm trying to keep you in the camera here. Actually, yeah, I probably should go from the other way because the way this is tapered. Let's go from this end, okay, and bring it up from there, okay. So this will go here, like so. And then all I got to do is I'll line that back up and then we tighten that down. So let me get my drill here. And we'll tighten that up. Bear with me 1 second. All right. Now that we're done with the dead air while I was getting a drill. So what we're going to do is, what are we looking at? A quarter or are we metric? Let's guess. Let's see what we got here. All right, quarter it is. So that on there. Okay. I'm going to line this back up, get it where I want it, right at the, basically I want it right at the top of the shock, so that way the boot's all the way up. Okay. And then we're going to hold this like so. And let's start running this down. I'll have to straighten it out more once I get it lined up there. Well, works easy if you have it on there. There it goes. Okay. Now we're getting in place here. So again, like I said, I want it straight, right at the very top. So we're good right about there. Okay, and then we'll run this down more. Okay. It's tight. Okay. And that's the extent of how you're doing. That's all there is to it. So it went off a little bit, but I'm not worried about it because there's enough to come back up top here. See? Like that right there. So once I bolt this in, like I said, this will be down a little bit, so that boot will ride where it's supposed to. And that's it. So that one's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to compress it. I'll throw the nylon strap back on it to hold it in place, and then I'll go ahead and do the other one. So with that said, that's how easy it is to throw the boots on. You know, so, you know, if you're gonna put this type of shock in, again, you have the exposed shaft of the shock. You don't want that getting rusty and grungy, you know, salt, water, dirt, mud. This helps to protect that. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.